Hi there, this is Penelope. This is question 8 of the, excuse me, test 1, trimester 1, 2021 for DE4102 at Welltech. Now, the last two questions, question 8 and question 9, were not very well done at all, yet they were worth 4 marks, and there will be questions like this in the exam. First step, shift the root 2. Just normal algebra procedure. Then you can replace the bit in the bracket just to make it look nicer. So then you have sine z equals 1 over root 2. Now you're told that 0 is less than or equal to zx, which is less than or equal to 2 pi. By making this replacement, instead of then 0 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 2 pi, if we're now talking z is going to be between pi over 4 and 2 pi plus pi over 4. So let's go down, that's just the parameters. So now z equals sine inverse 1 over root 2, and then we're just going to use our calculators. Now, if you'd learned the list of common ones to learn, you'd know that that was pi over 4, and then that the next one would be pi plus that in the next quadrant, sorry, pi by 2 plus that, or you know what I mean. It will be this one and then that one. So it would be 3 pi over 4, or the next one would be 5 pi over 4. Now, if you'd done it on your calculator, you wouldn't see the pi's. So that's z, but z we said was pi over 4 plus x, so we need to say x equals z minus pi by 4. So then each of those has to be minus pi by 4, and you can see why I did it in pi's, because then x is just going to equal, the first one would be just 0, the next one would be pi by 2, and the next one would be, well, it would be 2 pi, but 2 pi is just right on the edge. So you could have written it as pi by 2 or 90 degrees in your head. This would have been a little bit dodgy because you're asked in radians, because it should be in radians. But it's just perhaps to help you thinking. Okay, I may as well make this question 8 and 9 video. And I'm not sure why this one again was done so poorly. Remember, the way to remember which is A and which is B is that it's B cos. So B belongs to cos, so B is 2. A is 6. You are given right there in the question what R is equal to. You're told what alpha is equal to. So alpha is equal to, again, because it's got time, it should be in radians. Then you're done. So 2 cos t plus 6 sine t is equal to root 40 sine t plus 0.3218. You could have written root 40 as 2 root 10. I think somebody did, but that's no big deal. No extra marks. Just makes me smile. Okay, so that's questions 8 and 9.